Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the device. Charge above 50%, remove the SD and SIM, and make a quick backup so you don't lose photos or accounts. Once done, power the phone off completely. Now press and hold volume up and power together until the Samsung logo appears. This forces the phone into recovery mode. You do this because the regular settings reset path is unavailable. Recovery provides the low-level wipe option the OS hides when options are missing. In recovery mode, navigate with the volume up and down keys and use power to confirm. Move to wipe data/factory reset and select it. This is the deep erase command that restores original software state. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Accept it because this removes user data and settings. After the process runs, watch for the data wipe complete message. Make sure to wait patiently. Interrupting during the wipe can corrupt the system, so do not remove the battery or force power off. Once the wipe finishes, choose Reboot System Now and let the phone restart. First boot may take several minutes as it rebuilds apps and services. When the setup wizard appears, reinsert the SIM and SD, then sign into your Google or Samsung account to restore backups. If the wipe option is still missing or you cannot access recovery, try Samsung's Smart Switch on a PC or contact service. This tip helps when firmware or security locks prevent manual resets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.